Imagine you're facing a tough challenge, one that seems impossible to solve. What if your thinking about the problem is the real issue? First principles, thinking breaks problems down to their fundamental truths and rebuilds solutions from the ground up. Instead of saying, electric cars are too expensive because batteries cost a lot, Musk asked, what are batteries made of? Can we make them cheaper? First principles thinking works like scientific reasoning. Identify the problem, break it into its basic parts, rebuild solutions. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, ask, what do I actually need? Or can I create value another way? Most of us were never taught to think independently. We fear being different and get stuck in, this is how it's always been done. Here's your challenge. Pick a problem, break it down to its truths, and question every assumption. Success begins when you think from first principles. The mind that opens to a new idea never returns to its original size. Einstein.